How are you doing? My name is Mel Harris. I'm the Northeast Region Sales Manager with LG Electronics for the Air Conditioning and Energy Solutions Division. We're here at AHR 2011 in Las Vegas. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our Multi-V Mini product. What we have here is a representation of LG's Multi-V Mini. LG's Multi-V Mini is a heat pump type of condenser, but what it's actually allowing us to do is to actually bring true zoning to the American, Canadian, and North American home. Typically, families have a home of similar size and scope, and you have a condensing unit outside, and you have a furnace inside. And let's say you're here in this bedroom. If you're the only person home, if you're there, you have to cool and heat the entire home just for you to be comfortable here. What that results in is a net waste / loss of energy. What the Multi-V Mini allows, and what our duct-free type of product does, our variable refrigerant flow technology, it allows us to actually heat and cool rooms in the home independently of the overall size and scope of the home. So what you have here is a very slim, a very stylish unit that sits outside, which is the actual unit. You can see it fits up against the house very snugly. It's very quiet. It's extremely efficient. It uses inverter technology, which means that it only ever uses the maximum amount of energy that it needs to meet the load. Okay, why is that important? Because if you have a standard condensing unit, you're actually always operating at 100% of capacity. You are using the maximum amount of electricity that unit could possibly use. With our unit, it operates between 25% and 105% of capacity. So what that results in is a net saving of energy. We would like to think through our calculations that this is going to result in an HVAC related savings, cost savings of somewhere between 40 and 50% for a typical home. Because it is a heat pump, it negates the need for a furnace, which typically uses natural gas. Again, this type of product, while we've got the unit itself, we offer up to 13 different evaporators. So we actually have an evaporator that will meet any need for any home. We've got high static concealed ducts that actually sit above the ceiling. We've got low static concealed. We've got ceiling cassettes. We've got very stylish art cool models. And even for the garage or areas that you aren't typically worried about looks or aesthetics, you know, we've got our standard units. So what we're basically doing is taking the fast innovation, fast execution motto and mantra that LG professes, and basically bringing that into the American home, into the North American home. And